To thine own self be true. This is the code I live my life by. Over the last 4 months, I've spent 16 to 18 hours a day working on my filmmaking. Why? Because this is the most important thing I've ever done in my life. I want to inspire. I traveled through San Francisco Bay Area searching for a way to spread this message and to find a way that I could turn this into an income. Found nothing. A couple days ago, I got a call from a friend saying he had an opportunity out in Hawaii. I bought a plane ticket that day and left 2 days later. This is the way that I live my life. So I got that plane ticket, said goodbye to my family, hopped on BART, got on my plane, flew into Kona, took a 3-hour bus ride to Hilo, cut my first coconut. It's the first time I filmed myself doing that. And now, it's time to start something